Hello YouTubers, what I'm going to show you now is how to fix it if you've been trying to plug, say for instance, a digital camera into your laptop or your PC and it's not registering, or you're getting this device descriptor request failed. Here's how you fix that. So you need to go to your search bar bottom left on your desktop screen, type in device manager, click on your device manager, and you get this screen up. You need to go to the bottom, USB controllers, so universal serial bus controllers. Open that up. USB root hub. Now you should have root hub 3.0. This is March 2020 and that's the up-to-date one. Now right click it. If you haven't got 3.0, click update driver. If you have got 3.0 and it's still not working, click uninstall device. So you want to uninstall your USB root hub. Go to your start menu, click on restart and restart your computer, and your computer will automatically reinstall the file that you've just deleted, and that should fix the problem. So I hope that helps. Thanks very much for watching.